Okay, littles, I have one more story. I think this is a longer one, too. We'll see how it goes. We might have to do this one in 2 parts so you don't get bored. This one is called Welcome to Monster Academy. And there's their principal, Frank N. Stein is his name. What does Principal Frank N. Stein have to say? In you go. He's telling us we have to go into the Monster Academy. You see monsters in there. There's a mummy, some other creepy little girl with ponytail things. Hello, monsters. Come on in. When everyone's here, class will begin. Miss Mummy. So many bandages. Did you get hurt? Serpentina's snakes hiss. She looks like she got hurt bad. I'm not hurt. I'm just old. I look good for my age, or so I'm told. Why do your words rhyme? Asks Bog. Every mummy has a curse. Mine is that I speak in verse. But it could be worse. I could scream when I converse. But are little monsters scared of screams? No. They scream right back. Arg. There's a whole classroom full of monsters. Goodness. I count. Yeti, Yachty, Fifi, Speck, Serpentina, Vic, Bog, wait. That's 7 when we should have 8. Is our newest monster late? There's some creepy little monsters in her class. Crash! It's our new student. Here we go. You must be Tornado Joe. Zazoom! But Joe shouts, no! He says he's not Tornado Joe. Say hello, the students yell. No, says Joe, spinning into Vic's lunchbox. Oh, he's turning himself into a tornado. No, says Joe, knocking over Bog's chair. No, says Joe, bumping into Speck. No, says Joe, yanking Serpentina's snakes. He's being kind of mean. No, says Joe, kicking the table near Yeti and Yachty. No, says Tornado Joe. No, no, no. Joe is the worst monster ever, yips Fifi. Make Tornado Joe stop. We're all monsters, Fifi dear. Joe will learn some manners here. No, 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 no. Tornado Joe spins and spins and spins until, oomph, Joe lands on the floor. He spun around so much he got dizzy and fell on the floor. Now get up, Joe. It's time for math. Count your missing teeth for our monster tooth graph. Poor Vampire Vic. He wiggles his big scary fang. He doesn't want to say 0, 3, 1. There's a chart about the missing teeth. Fifi has 1 missing tooth. Speck has 3. Serpentina has 1. Bog, Yeti, and Yodi each have 2 teeth missing. And there's nothing for Vic and Joe. How about you, Joe? Missing teeth? Any above, any beneath? No, says Joe. But Joe is missing a tooth. Miss Mummy writes it down. Now quick, how about you, Vic? Vic jiggles his loose fang. 0, he says. He almost cries. Add up the teeth. 12, you say? Good job. We'll go to the lab today. Yay! What do you think little monsters build at Monster Maker's Lab? Let's find out. Oh my goodness, look at this place. There's bats flying around. There's all kinds of things bubbling and boiling. A box of tools. Wow. There's so much stuff in this lab. A creepy castle. Everybody helps. Even the class bats. Everybody but Joe. Come on, Joe, Serpentina yells. It's fun. They're finding all kinds of stuff. Oh, Vincent would like that. I see a soccer ball. Her snakes hiss, but Joe says no. She's got the weirdest hairdo. She has 2 pigtails that are snakes. And then she's got all these snakes that look like her hair. It's just too weird for me. Now it's almost lunchtime. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Pull, pull. Vic pulls his fang. It won't come out. There's Vic. One of his little fangs is loose, but he doesn't want to pull it out. Okay, I'm going to let this part go, and I'll be back in just a bit, and we'll read the second part.